Menteri Rangba ka jala ukanat sangma unya kendu ya Himanta Biswa Sarma Menteri Rangba ka Assam lasai ke janmiet ka khatnyau tarik unaitung arajar arfuwei banyak keren halor upur usam ukanat ulai itu bakani ka de jing sedang jong jing ya kendu banyak keren bat ya penbet baha ya ka sengi bat por na ka benta ke jing kendu ka bakhambenya.
I will be meeting the Assam Chief Minister tomorrow evening. It is a meeting that is again at a more of an unofficial level. As I had mentioned to you many times before, that we have been having unofficial discussions on this very important subject many times, and tomorrow is a continuation of that. And we will also tomorrow, while we sit, we will also fix a date for an official meeting between the two governments, and so that also will be the agenda. And obviously, we'll have unofficial discussions about many other discussions about many other topics. So yes, tomorrow evening I'll be meeting in the